Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to compare OpenCode and VScode. OpenCode is a lightweight, open-source code editor designed for flexibility and simplicity. It supports multiple programming languages and allows developers to customize almost every part of the interface. OpenCode is a privacy-focused, does not collect usage data by default, and encourages community-driven plugins that adapt to your workflow. Many users like it for being fast, minimal, and open, making it a good choice for developers who want an editor that stays out of the way while giving full control over features. On the other hand, Visual Studio Code or VS Code is one of the most popular code editors in the world. It offers a massive extension marketplace, seamless JIT integration, built-in debugging tools, IntelliSense code completion, and terminal support. VS Code works across Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, and its ecosystem continues to grow with AI-powered coding assistance, remote development support, and advanced collaboration tools. While slightly heavier than OpenCode, VS Code is known for stability, constant updates, and a huge community, which makes it easy to find solutions and add new functionality quickly. Overall, both editors are excellent in 2026. OpenCode is ideal if you prefer a lightweight, open, and privacy-conscious editor where you control exactly what features you use. VS Code is better for developers who want a feature-rich, versatile, and widely supported editor with a vast ecosystem of extensions and tools. For minimalists and those focused on openness, OpenCode stands out, while for professionals who rely on extensive integrations and workflow support, VS Code remains the go-to choice. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.